Hi, Martin Radnan here. Now I'm sure some of you may want to stretch yourselves further than the Level 2 work we'll be discussing in this lesson. For those of you that do, I've completed all the videos for the ECDL Advanced courses for Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Access. These are Level 3 work and are available via the various playlists on my YouTube channel, as shown. Please feel free to look over them and let me have your comments. Oh, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you click the bell icon, I'll keep you up to date with any new videos as they're released. So let's get back to our Level 2 Basic Word module from the ECDL Extra course. We're now up to Lesson 14. So head to the associated website, select Word, and then Word Lesson 14, Barnet and Barkley. First, download the text that we will edit. Our task is to prepare a number of letters to a group of people who've been invited to our company for interview. The basic outline of the letter is provided, and we've been asked to make a number of modifications and to carry out a mail merge so that the letter can be sent out to all interviewees. A data file is also provided containing the names and addresses and the interview times. During this task, the skills we're going to use include basic title formatting, paragraph borders, paragraph fill, centering and aligning text, inserting a table, setting up a mail merge, inserting merge fields, and finally merging to a new document. Okay, so let's get started. Open the instruction sheet and then open the document that we downloaded earlier, ECDL Revision Test 32.docx. Save it as interview letter. Step 2. To center align the company name, select the company name, and then from the Home tab, select from the paragraph section, Center. Similarly, for the company address, we want this to be right aligned, so select the text for the company address, and then from the Home tab, paragraph section, this time right align. Next, step 3. Let's select the company name, and from the Home tab, within the font section, select bold, size 28, and change the font face to Verdana. While we have the company name selected, we now want to put a double border around it. To do this, from the paragraph section, select the down arrow next to the Borders button. At the bottom, Borders and Shading, select a style which has a double border, and make sure this is being applied to the entire paragraph. Next, select the Shading tab, select a fill colour of light grey. Again, make sure it's applying to the entire paragraph, and then press OK. Next, step 4. At the end of the second paragraph, insert the text "The programme for your visit is as follows," followed by a colon. Step 5. In between the second and third paragraphs, insert a table of 3 columns and 5 rows. So place the cursor between the second and third paragraphs and then insert table and then create one that's 3 columns and 5 rows. Next, insert the text as shown in the instruction sheet as step 6. The top row, that's the word time and venue, both want to be made bold, so select them, go to the Home tab and select bold. Let's scroll down a little. Replace the name Joanne Kerr with your own name. And then print one copy of the letter either to a printer or to the Microsoft XPS document writer, which, as mentioned in previous lessons, will mean that it saves the printed version as a file for printing later. Okay, so let's move on to the mail merge, which is step 9. Head for the Mailings tab, select Start Mail Merge and Letters. At that point, save where you're up to. Next, we want to download the file Interviewees and save it to a convenient location on our computer so that we can access it. Note that the database we're going to be linking to this time is actually a Microsoft Word document containing just the one table. Next, let's head for Select Recipients, use an existing list, and then navigate to the Interviewees file that we just saved. Now, it may look like nothing has happened, but the database has now been linked to the Microsoft Word document we're currently working on, and as a result we can now insert particular merge fields. So let's insert the merge fields for the address of each interviewee as shown. In step 12, position your cursor 2 lines above Dear. Insert the name and address lines as merge fields. Now I'm going to put the whole lot in and then I'll reorganize them afterwards. So insert merge field, we want title, first name, last name, address line 1, address line 2, town and postcode. Now on the first line we want title, then a space, then first name, then a space, then address line 1, I'm pressing enter because it wants to go on the next line, address line 2 wants to go on the line after that, town on the line after that, so again I'm pressing enter, and then I want a space between town and postcode. Next, after the word Dear, insert the merge fields title and then last name. Insert merge field, title, then a space, then insert merge field, last name, and then let's put a comma after the last name. Now if you look at the paragraph that starts with the words "Thank you for your application" and then head for the second sentence of that paragraph, at the moment it reads, "We would like to invite you for an interview on February 10th July 2009 at," and then a full stop or a period. So now we're going to insert the interview time as a merge field at the end of that second sentence. So if we click just immediately before the full stop, press space to insert a space, and then insert the time merge field. Okay, so we're up to step 15. We're now going to finish and merge, so select from the Mailings tab, Finish and Merge, and then edit individual documents, as this will create a merged letter for us. Have a look over the letters that have been created. And then save the file as merged interview letters. To email it, we would go for File, Share, Email, Send as Attachment, and then your default email program will be opened so that you can add recipients, a subject, and any message. At that point you'd press Send and you're done. Okay, we've got to the end. I hope you find these skills of use. Next time we'll delve a little deeper into extra formatting features such as the awesome Format Painter. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. If you click the bell icon, I'll keep you up to date with any new videos that I produce. Okay, I hope this is all making sense, and I look forward to seeing you next time.